everyone. Heading to my meeting that I am conducting. I am actually driving to Puyallup again. Puyallup, whatever, again. So Monica and I were reading your guys' comments this morning on yesterday's vlog, and you guys do love your daily vlogs. So Monica's really good at vlogging and making sure that she vlogs every type of symptom, craving, nausea. So I'm gonna definitely take that into account and then do probably the nightly closeout, depending on how my day is. Because today I have a meeting 10, then it ends at 2, then I have to drive back to my store, I have to close my store. We'll see how that works out, but I do appreciate you guys definitely urging us to keep going, and I love it. It shows how much support you guys give us, and knowing that you guys want to know how Monica is doing and you guys get worried and stuff. So we're gonna definitely keep up with it. And I know life happens, but I want to, keep documenting everything that Monica feels, and any kind of, because it helps people out during their pregnancy.
Headed to work. It's another beautiful day. Let me turn that down. It's so nice out, but I'm off the next 2 days, so I just have to make it through today. Working late. Want to close like 9:30 or 10, but headed to work. Got my Cheez-Its. Yummy, yummy. I want to try all the flavors now since there's so many. I didn't know there was so many. It's like, I don't know if it's a new thing or what, but I just remember like the white cheddar and like the regular. I want to try the pepper jack next. It's next on my list. I slept in. I don't know why I'm yawning. Jing had to go to work, a meeting, and then she's working pretty much the same shift as me, so she's like have an all day thing. But we're off Thursday together, so we just gotta make it. A couple more days. She just has to work one more day tomorrow. But off to work I go. Oh, and I forgot to say. So last night I had like the worst gas ever, but like burps, not like farting or anything. But like it kept me up for a while, and it kept Jing up too because she was just laughing at it. But I burped like a million times, and I was like in bed researching what did I eat during the day that made me burp, because I didn't eat like anything too crazy. So we thought it may have been the asparagus with dinner. That's the only food that like seemed like it could cause gas by what I was reading online. But it was just like I felt so like bloated, and I kept burping and burping, and I'd have to like sit up and burp. It was horrible. But that's my burp story for the day. Woo! Who are you? You're Polly. Got home. A little bit of nausea. I hadn't thrown up in a couple of days, and I just threw up a little. Sorry. I'll try and eat a little something. Maybe it'll settle my stomach. Some pasta or some bread or something. Jing should be home soon. I'm off the next 2 days. Today was a long day. It was slow, but it was just, It's ready to get home and just relax. I hate throwing up. Man, I don't think I threw up all weekend. I don't know, but I'm done with the throwing up. I'm really done with it. Whew.
There's this big, what is that? Oh my god.
It's like Jurassic Park looking. That thing needs to go outside.
She just smashed it once and it's still going. Vegas wants a piece of it. Oh my god.
Go outside, Jurassic Park.
Notice how the girly girl is just doing everything. It's right there.
Oh my god. I know it's going towards the light, but get outside.
Maybe we should turn off the light. Here, let me try. Oh, shoot, that thing's feisty. Where did it go? Oh my god, it's gonna attack me.
Oh, wait, it's going.
It's out?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
I'm home.
Give me a heart attack.
I just came home right now. Love you. So it's bad, and I watched this video, the cups video, on the way to Puyallup this morning because I had an inkling for Pitch Perfect for some reason. I didn't know there was a music video to it.
I'm watching.
I just wanted to listen to the song.
I'll iTunes it for you, honey.
So check it out. It's Anna Kendrick doing cups.
Is it a good video?
Yeah, it's a good video. It's a really good video. Okay. I'm not going to tell you. You got to watch it yourself. I'll put the link down below. Monica reacts to Anna Kendrick Cup's official video.
What? I'm just like, everybody's doing it.
Is it making you happy?
Yeah, it's making me stare. I'm like, what's going to happen? I want to do cups.
I was watching it too, and it was making me happy and pumped up for my meeting this morning.
You're driving.
I had something to pump me up. Sorry, don't ever do that, people.
Do not watch videos and drive, please.
This is so much clearer than watching it on my Samsung Galaxy.
It's like super cups.
All right. So we definitely want to end this vlog with help from you guys. And because we had a viewer tweet us about a situation that she's going through. And basically she has gone to church, and she believes that God accepts everyone. But she fell in love with a girl at church.
She doesn't know if she is into girls.
Bisexual, gay, straight, and she knows that her parents are truly religious and feels like she feels that she doesn't know what she needs to do because she's been thinking about this girl all the time, and basically she doesn't know what to do, whether to tell her, because she doesn't know if she's into girls or whatever. So what is your advice to her? I say is that just be friends with her. She also did
hold it off for a while. Feel out the situation.
She said that they're also friends on Facebook and all the social medias and whatnot. But I think you should just feel it out for now. Be friends.
Look for clues.
So the question of the day is, what advice would you give that viewer? Since we're all big family and we want to help each other out. And we've decided to keep vlogging every day.
But if we miss a day, sometimes it happens.
It happens.
You work too much.
And
I get tired.
She doesn't know how to edit.
I can't edit, so I need her to make videos.
She could just video. She could just vlog and I could edit it. Alright guys, you guys have a good night, and we will see you tomorrow. That's my Miranda sings impression. Alright, take care guys. Good night.